Zoom is an application used to organize conference calls. It can be used by anyone for training or webinars. To install Zoom on your computer, you need to go to www.zoom.us and open a free account. Enter your personal details, click Continue, and you will be asked to enter your email address to register. Alternatively, you can use a quicker form by using other accounts like Google, Facebook, etc. Then, in the top right-hand corner, click on Resources and download Zoom Client. Once you have opened the application after installation, you will need to log in with the account you created earlier. If you are opening Zoom for the first time, a new meeting icon appears on the main screen. By clicking on this icon, you start a meeting other users can join. Entering the meeting, a window will appear here and you should click Join with Audio Computer. After opening the first pop-up window, we have a couple of options at the bottom. Firstly, we have the option to mute our microphone and, immediately afterwards, to switch the camera on or off. With regard to the microphone, Zoom offers the possibility of choosing and selecting the microphone to be used. The most suitable microphone is the Rodecaster. In addition, Zoom also offers different options for the camera and allows you to insert a virtual background, which will be displayed behind you during the call. To participate in a meeting on Zoom, as with Google Meet and Skype, participants can join the meeting via a link or code. Click Join and the meeting ID will appear, which you will find in the top left corner of the Zoom app. These are the digits to be entered in the corresponding box to access the video call. To share the screen, you need to access the Zoom meeting window and then click on the green sharing icon in the black toolbar, which you will find at the bottom of the call. This will open a new window where you can select the image you want to share. There are different ways of sharing the screen. If you wish to share everything you see on your PC screen and switch between windows or programs, you will have to select the Share Entire Screen option. This will enable you to activate the screen option by clicking on Share. To end the meeting, you will have to click on Leave.